Good morning and happy Easter. Jimmy Brooks here. I have a little wafer lock on a locked on a locked cabinet drawer. The lid lifts off. Guy was given to me a while back, and I just hadn't fooled with it. But we'll pick it open. I got a Polaris pick kit here. These things are a lot of fun. If you hadn't tried it out yet, you can get it at I got mine at lockpickworld.com, but this is the 10th. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is the 10th pick. I think Bosnia Bill, maybe even Locknew, or somebody else has done. I know Bosnia Bill did a review on these. So pick this open right quick. Anyhow, hope everybody's doing all right. Just that quick. Just picked up. Couldn't have been that. Bidding couldn't have been that difficult. If that worked that easy. But it is a rocker slash rake kit. I doubt it. It won't close on me. There it is. Pick. Here, we'll do that again. But as you can see, it is locked back. Excuse me. Early morning coffee got me burping. Actually, I have a few new tools from Lockpick World. I got this kit. I have a set of wiggle rakes, which I'll do a separate video on those at another time. I can't get back in there. There we go. Picked up again. That's all I had. But, again, there's the 10 picks and 2 tensioners that you get in the Polaris kit. Really a nice, neat little kit. The best part about it is magnetic closure. You can, if you have it sitting down, drop your tools on it. The magnet won't let it go anywhere. Those magnets are pretty strong. They're not going anywhere. Anyway, y'all have a good day.